Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Anamika, and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys my top 5 personal favorite skincare products which I use on a daily basis. So trust me, I have used these products and I'm just giving my honest review for this product. So as a college going student, it becomes harder for us to invest huge amount on skincare products. So keeping that on mind, I have decided to share with you those products which are totally affordable and not that expensive. First comes Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash, which retails for 190 rupees for 200 ml. Of course, you can go for smaller tube as well, which retails for 50 rupees only. And these guys have never disappointed me with their products. All the Himalaya products are actually. So then comes lotion, which is Lactocalamine lotion, which retails for 128 rupees for 60 ml, and this it says oil balance. So if you have a oily skin like me, you can go for this Lactocalamine lotion, and this work as a foundation as well. You can definitely go for this rather than foundation. It actually works because it absorbs your extra oil from skin. So this is a medium sized bottle. You can go for a smaller one as well, which will retail you for 50 to 60 rupees. I have not bought that, but 50 to 60 rupees only. So third comes Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen, and it's SPF 50, which retails for 199 rupees only. This is the best sunscreen I have ever used because this is so light in weight. Even if you apply in your skin, it doesn't make you feel that you have applied anything so heavy, and yeah, it's waterproof as well. So after applying everything, foundation, sunscreen, hair lotion, anything, all you need to hold your makeup is a good compact powder or a loose powder. So I use this Maybelline compact powder, which retails for, I don't know, but 120 or 130 rupees only, and it is good as well because it will go for long 2 to 3 months. And yeah, so while purchasing your compact powder, please make sure to pick the right shade compact powder. Don't buy a lighter shade or darker shade, otherwise it looks so cakey in your skin and doesn't match your skin tone. So last and important product that we usually neglect is our cleansing water. I use this Garnier cleansing water, which retails for 175 rupees, and we get a free cotton pad. It is necessary to clean our face. Not only just clean your face with face wash, but make sure to clean your face with this miscellaneous water. So just even if there is any dirt particles or makeup left over in your pores, it will just remove. So that was my top 5 personal favorite products. If you like the video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. We are close to 100 subscribers. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, be safe and be healthy. Bye bye. Compact powder. Don't pick any foundation. Any foundation came. So this is a medium size. So this is a medium. So this